and let it go. Check it out. Once again, here I am. Yeah, for the grave dogs. I'ma step on your door like Mr. Massey to the rescue. Show you where to go if you don't know where to. Now buffer get like it to better way to, cause I'm tired. Ke go retsa mandla le a wethu. Ke fika ka mafega, I never set my sipa. My mouth is clean but the ga ke tlhatswe ka sesepa. They call me Jama Bitla cause MCs ka di kitla. I'm like rapping till I die, but ba batla le bitla le lami. It's early like motshegare, I guess it's santse le tlhoka go utlwa style sa me. Until I twist the neck like a Robetso bosa sa me. E ka itsika cause ke mongo ba lisika name bo Robetsi. Why? Cause I di montshetse a ba sopi gore re tla di diga go tswa ko miga until di kopele aka Grash, making things possible cause you know we got the cash. Mokhala jele bolesh, get the chicks back or pesh. But at least to cash, I'm not fresh, I'm too raw. If you can't take it, it's up to you dog. You better make a plan and show respect to grave dogs. Who wanna bite the soul, le manyora ako west. Of course I'm on the line up, I'm a nigga from the northwest. Because if you don't know me, I'll let you see my song by next time. Don't forget that in your song, nigga. Who wanna bite the soul, le manyora ako west. Of course I'm on the line up, I'm a nigga from the northwest. Because if you don't know me, I'll let you see my song by next time. Don't forget that in your song, nigga. Now you know what time it is. Now it's my time to show you niggas why we live in this scope of because I got a dream. I'm still trying to figure out how to make a cream. Like when I rap you scream, you might think hore I am combined to a team DVD. Now start the engine of a Lamborghini. Like Origans, better get yourself some drama mean. You never do what do they call me Buzi Muzi. I was blessed with a gift, then I thought they can see to see. The answer was with me, cause when I break the mic, but to botle bakwa musi. And now I know it's right, gore nka ga go la booty. Ke busy ke say kutsi like lwana le abuti ali strict like ke malume booty. Ke so they say get it strong kama mfuko. I really like the pain, I like the taste they botloko. And I'm not this poko. Who wanna bite the soul, le manyora ako west. Of course I'm on the line up, I'm a nigga from the northwest. Because people know me, I'll let you see my song by next time. Don't forget that in your song, nigga. Who wanna bite the soul, le manyora ako west. Of course I'm on the line up, I'm a nigga from the northwest. Because people know me, I'll let you see my song by next time. Don't forget that in your song, nigga. Wait up, this is DVD. With this beat I feel the heat. If you wanna cool me down, don't scabantlela kameti. I'm not a bee, I get like the notes. If you wanna know it all, you better search for me. Like I said, this is DVD. For your more information, man, I hate the BVG. What's the use of wearing it? Cause you got no PVC, privacy. On the CV, you're even forced to speak. If you're HIV, well nigga, I'm not that man with the fear to drop your tea and like a case and pass me beer. Let me solve my tata, I'm like a man with BS. Not ring up a kakatedu. Fela seledu, I get battle go delay in this life like the others did. Well, now my dreams are big, I wanna rock for more thing. Up until the city gigs, let's until the PCs. And now I'm feeling like a sneaking pig. Let's say like it's a made from Hope until Mandela Bridge. Who wanna bite the soul, the manyora ako west. Of course I'm on the line up, I'm a nigga from the northwest. Cause people know me, I'll let you see my song by next time. Don't forget that in your song, nigga. What? Who wanna bite the soul, the manyora ako west. Of course I'm on the line up, I'm a nigga from the northwest. Because people know me, I'll let you see my song by next time. Don't forget that in your song, nigga. Ga ke tlhoke your disturbance effect. Keep a distance on Khatsisa like Mamina. Play me the track, ya Tamiya. Ke ska disata Maria with my old school track. I'm still amazing, le Mabina. Check, it's DVD. Yeah.